Thursday, 21st August. We are celebrating birthday of our dad N.C. Mehta and my daughter Ratna. Today is a Kevda treat. It's the death anniversary of our dad also. So it's time to celebrate. And let's pray to God His soul may rest ever in peace. And today I think we are missing from since about 8 years. So God grant him peace and happiness in the heaven. આજે કેવડા ત્રીજના દિવસે પપ્પાની ને રત્નાની વર્ષગાંઠ સેલિબ્રેટ કરીએ છીએ અને એક એવો અવસર છે કે પપ્પાની બર્થડે અને એમની એનિવર્સરી બંને આજે ભેગું થયું છે. સો લેટ્સ બી ફેમિલી સેલિબ્રેટ ધ થિંગ્સ. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. બાય.
Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day.
હાય રત્ના, હેપી બર્થડે. ખૂબ સુખી થાવ બેટા, ખૂબ પ્રગતિ કરો જીવનમાં. અગેન હેપી બર્થડે.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Ratna.
Ratna.
Best wishes.
Have the most joyous birthday ever. Many more yet to come.
Enjoy.
હાય રત્ના, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ બેટા. જ્યારે તું જન્મી હતી ને તો અમે બધી પિયા કયું ગીત ગાતા ખબર છે બેટા? મેરે ઘર આઈ એક નન્ની પરી. અને પરી જેવી જ છું બેટા, તો દાદાની ડાઈ દીકરી અને વાલી દીકરી. So you have a long life and have a wonderful birthday. Enjoy your 35th birthday. Love you beta. Bye.
हाय अदानी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बेटा. तमन्नाओं से भरी वो आपकी ज़िंदगी, ख्वाहिशों से भरा हर पल, दामन भी छोटा लगे, इतनी खुशियाँ दे तेरा ये नया आने वाला कल. हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा.
હલો રતુ, મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. દાદાની લાડકી, સૌની વાલી એવી નાની અમદાવાદમાં આપણે તો બે જ અને
My dear Ratna, wish you a many happy returns of the day. God bless you with lots of happiness, fun, and good health, and lots of wealth. Enjoy your day with your family and friends, and we miss you, baby.
હલો રતુજી, રતુ અદાણી, વિશ યુ મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. આમ તો તમારો 35th છે એમ કહે છે, તો યુ લુક લાઈક 25th સિલ્વર જુબલી. એન્જોય યોર બર્થડે. ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ.
હાય રત્ના બેટા, હેપી બર્થડે. એન્જોય યોર ડે. અને રિષિતા, તું સલોની બધા મજા કરજો બેટા. ઓકે, હેપી બર્થડે બેટા.
Turning 35. No, she's only 18 with 17 years experience. Happy birthday, love.
Hi, happy birthday to my dearest Ratuji. Ratna is big 35 and rightly said by Upaman, it is not 35, she's just 17. She's our sweet 17, the most charming girl of Mehta family. Ratna, you make all of us proud because I've seen you right the day you were born as the first girl child after Radhi. Amazing child you are, and believe me, you have made all of us, the entire family, proud. As a kid, as a student, as a daughter, and such a nice bubbling young girl, got married as a wife and then as a proud mother. I'm sure you made all of us proud. મમ્મીના જે સંસ્કાર હતા સરોજબેનના અને નીતા ભાભીના બધાના, you have lived up to those expectations. I've seen you at Pantaloon store as a proud professional, true entrepreneur, to one of the leading birthday party organizers. And today industry, when I go out, people say, Ratna Kaka Cho. I feel proud. Darling, love you. You're the best. And keep shining, keep rising the way you are. And I'm happy that Anurag also supports you and to live up to your dream. And Palash has been an amazing brought up child with your amazing love, pamper, and you've been amazing talented. And I can see your sparkle, your twinkle in Palash's eyes. So love you. Let's party hard. Let's party soon home. And wish you the most rocking 35th birthday of yours. Love you, baby.
Hey, Rags. Wish you many happy returns of the day. August 21st is always very special, has been very special, like your birthday and Dada's birthday, and I have such fond memories of your birthday, like, you know, I don't want to say childhood because I feel like we haven't grown up yet. But like, you know, they look like organizing all the parties for us, and like we'll have so much fun. So I hope, like, you know, you have so much fun today as well. I'm sure Salu and Tani has planned such great things. I hope I was there. I wish I was there. Anyways, I miss you. You have lots of fun and lots of love. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ratna. Party hard. Do miss me. Okay. And happy birthday to Daddu also. Enjoy.
Hey, happy birthday Ratna Didi. Happy 35th to you. It's your 35th birthday, but you have a cheer of a 20-year-old in your heart. I hope you never lose that. Happy birthday to Daddu too. I miss meeting a wonderful personality. Sure, yeah. Happy birthday, Fia.
Cookie.
Happy birthday, Fia.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Daddu.
Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this quarantine birthday celebration. Can't wait to see you once things get back to normal. Enjoy and party. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ratna. Best wishes.
Hi Ratna, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Lots of love and luck to you, and don't keep calm because it's your 35th. See you soon.
Hey Ratusi, happy birthday. तो तारा बर्थडे માટે એટલી એક્સાઇટેડ હતી હું સલુ વાત કરી રહ્યા હતા and she was just telling me that Ratna doesn't even look 30. Maybe, yeah, that's right. I hope I age like you, and it's been an amazing 35 years. I hope you have another 35 and more, which are far more amazing, far more fun. આ બધું પતે એટલે આપણે શાંતિથી પાર્ટી કરીએ, but happy birthday and have an amazing day.
Hey Ratna Didi, wish you many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the love, all the happiness and all the success in the coming years. You still manage to look 20, so stay young forever, and yeah, have a fun day today.
Rats, happy birthday. And as she said, you are the Devanand of the house, evergreen and forever young. And it's awesome, man. It's awesome. It's been like, you know, be how you are, super fun, super chill and rocking all the time. Okay, we'll see you guys soon. Happy birthday.
Happy
Bye.
birthday. Love.
Hey Ratna, a very happy 35th birthday to you. I'm really proud of you and super happy for you. And your graph in life has always gone up, no matter what role you play in your life, be it as a daughter, as a mother, or as a best friend to mom, and as an amazing businesswoman that I've known you to be. And needless to say, you're the best party animal amongst us cousins. So I'm eagerly waiting for your birthday bash. So hoping to see you soon. And I wish you all the good and great things in life for the time to come. And I'm always here as your younger brother whenever you need. Love you. Cheers.
Ratuji, wishing you a very happy birthday, happy 35th birthday. Yes, you are growing old, but still like literally a kid. You have a perfect balance of how a kid is and how a mature person is, which is amazing. I love how you connect with literally the kids to the senior citizens in our family. You connect so well. I don't know what magic do you work, but I just want to say thank you for being such an important part in my life as well, and mom's life. You have been such a big supporter in the family for my mom and for me as well. Thank you for sharing everything and letting me share everything. You are a perfect example of how a sister is. So thank you so much, Ratu. And I think you are a perfect woman, daughter, mother, wife, sister, everything together. So I wish you all the very best in life, and wishing you all the success and love. And I love you. Bye bye. I'll see you soon, and we'll party soon. And auntie, your best friend, also wishes you a happy birthday.